All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have another new case video for you guys today, courtesy of TORRAS in relation to their new stand case. It's that slim case that gives you a stand, a little bit of a pop out here. Not necessarily new or unique, but definitely one of the better quality ones that exist. TORRAS has been around for a while. We've covered their products, and this is actually going to be my first time showing you guys this as well and seeing it. So look at how rugged it looks, but how clean and still slim it is. And like I was saying too, this inner lining right here is just so soft and smooth. It literally feels like one of those carpets your mom wouldn't even let you walk on that was fresh and clean. It really does add a nice layer of texture and protection for your phone. And then this grip case on the side with the wavy material and all of the lines and raised dots, it looks really good and feels super tactile feeling in the hand. And it looks very, very good, almost like the skin of a chameleon. It's actually very cool and interesting how they designed this to give that sensory grip and feel of your device. You obviously have that camera cover right there, clickable buttons once you put your phone in, and it is hard plastic on the back and nice soft cushiony on the side. And then again, its main feature is going to be that stand case that you can twist, put it at different angles, or leave it down, however you really choose to want to use it. So I obviously have the 17 Pro Max. They make this for all the different variants. Let's go ahead and pop it down right on the side. And the first thing I do want to call out is I have a tempered glass screen protector on it, and it fits perfectly fine with no issues there. It's not protruding, and it didn't peel, more importantly, the glass while trying to insert it. You can see the extra layer of thickness here, and it feels really great in the hand thanks to that grippy texture right on the side. The buttons, like I said, are pretty tactile and clickable. You can probably hear it click, and it works really great. You have that extra bumper protection here all around that camera plateau, and your cutouts are clearly open for the mic and USB Type-C charging port. So definitely a good looking case as well. You have that extra little cutout if you want to do a lanyard or something on it. Not my fan, not my thing, but again, this is, and if you like watching videos in landscape or portrait orientation, you can leave it like that, just like that, re-angle it, or if you need it higher, simply pivot it up that way, or turn it to its side. This definitely has a ton of other options to it and looks really good. What I like more so about this are not only the color options and how clean it is, but also just the cost effectiveness. I'll throw the links up down below. They are affiliate links. I greatly appreciate if you use them. It helps out the channel immensely. And then just obviously launching the phone again. Let me open this up. You can see we're actually downloading watchOS 27 Beta 5. It's been downloading for hours since this video started. It's kind of crazy. I'm not sure what's going on with these updates. And a couple hours are a little sarcastic. It's been more like an hour, but it is still a little crazy. But yeah, you can easily operate, interact with your phone with this case on with no issue. Again, like I said, it really is going to depend to your style and what you really want, but the first thing and really the priority feature is to protect your device, and this has multi-layered ways of doing that and just looks really good. I definitely have to say I'm a big fan. These color patterns, specifically this blue one, is definitely right up my alley, and it looks really good on the Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. What I want to know down below is if you had to prioritize some features on a case, what would it be? Would it be a kickstand? Would it be maybe a new unique one where you can store your AirPods in the back? Obviously, that'll come with a lot more heft. It's just definitely interesting to see all of the different styles here if you are a fan of these additional MagSafe cases. Because yes, it is obviously still MagSafe compatible as well, and you can use your wallets and anything else you need to stick on the back with no issue. So again, there's no reason dragging out this video. It's simply a case for your new iPhone to keep it protected. I'm very curious. Comment down below, what do you think of these TORRAS cases? Let me know if you pick one up, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.